So let's talk about AI again in a segment that I'm calling This Week in Cool Future AI Stuff and Things.
Great title.
Catchy?
Very catchy.
The URL of this is called This Person Does Not Exist. And this is a person that does not exist. It'll just generate a random image. And this is useful if you want to use a picture of somebody on your website or as a profile pic for a troll bot that you're creating. Or
Can you like create my non-existent girlfriend?
basically, if you go to This Person Does Not Exist, it's just going to show you a random image that doesn't exist. And this is a royalty free. You can use it because nobody ever knows that this image was generated by AI. And it actually uses something called StyleGAN 2, which is actually being created by NVIDIA. So it's not the DALL-E or Stable Diffusion or Midjourney. But if I come up here, just hit refresh, it'll just give me a totally new image. There's your fictional girlfriend right there.
She's awesome.
Hey, I mean, you can't offend her if you're like, oh, I don't want her. She's not a real person. She can't be offended. She doesn't exist.
Dude, you're talking about my girlfriend, bro. Take it easy.
Actually, I think that's Jonathan Taylor Thomas.
No, that's Trump.
They expanded the same technology to create This Cat Does Not Exist. See that cat? Not a real cat. And if I refresh it, it's going to generate another not a real cat.
Cats are not amusement. Oh, whoa. What happened to that cat? Let's talk.
I think it smoked too much.
Yeah.
And it's got that little like hole where they smoke cigarettes through.
I am a gato.
It went, meow.
Meow.
And of course, if you have a website called This Cat Does Not Exist, you've got to have thishorsedoesnotexist.com. So that's not a real horse. This doesn't exist. In fact, as you can see, this is a 5-legged horse.
It feels like somebody shaved it, like give it the cat's mane, right? Where you want your cat to look like a lion, but they did it to the horse.
Everybody's going to love this one. This one is a Pokemon character generator.
Ooh.
What would happen if we made a buffalo Pokemon? I'm just going to go ahead and let it do a random seed and click submit. Just leave everything by default and see what it generates when I ask for a buffalo Pokemon. There's the buffalo Pokemon.
Uncanny.
If you don't really like the one that it gave you, you can come down to this seed, plug in a different seed, like let's say 69,420. Just plug in any random number. Doesn't matter.
Random.
That's just
super random.
Super random number. Click submit and it'll generate a different variation. This is actually using Stable Diffusion. There you go. There's a buffalo using seed 69,420. That is your official Pokemon crafted after your likeness.
It's uncanny how it looks like me at the gym. About to hit the dumbbells.
And when you lift with your mouth.
I do.
I try to get those neck and jaw muscles going. There you go. That has been This Week in Really Cool Futuristic Tech AI.
Patent pending.